How can you fix this problem on your Max app? So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. Then you click here on apps. Then you come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Max app, or just click here on search. So then here you search for Max app. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Click on first stop. Then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone, install it again. Then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.